Vogue, I'm Zendaya, and I am here at my Vogue Italia cover shoot set. And I'm taking a little break for some delicious Italian food. I'm also gonna be answering some questions as we do this. Oh yeah, I'll take it. Absolutely. All that. I'm just gonna eat this whole bite. What's my favorite outfit to wear? Oh man, this is hard. It's like picking your kids, you know? Your favorite kid, how are you supposed to do that? You can't. If you could have any superpower, what would it be? I would like the ability to teleport because I think it would make my job so much easier. Be in Rome, like that. Boom, be in my bed right tonight. Oh wow, thank you. Give me a second.